Friends, hello! This is a continuation of the video on how to combat downy mildew on cucumbers. And now I will demonstrate the effectiveness of the remedy I used in the previous video, for which I will leave a link in the top right corner. I treated my cucumbers with copper sulfate, making a weak solution of 5 grams of copper sulfate per 1 liter of water. If we take 10 liters of water, then 50 grams of copper sulfate. This is half the dosage recommended by the manufacturer. 10 days have passed since the treatment at the time of filming this video, and let's look at the result. The top is growing vigorously. The leaves are green, which have newly grown. In that video, I showed how to lower cucumbers. There were many questions under the video why I am doing this, if they need to be lifted again later. No, I lowered them so that they would continue to grow and produce a new harvest. These cucumbers are already setting. They are already blooming, and soon there will be a young harvest, and they continue to grow upwards. When they reach the ceiling, I will lower them down again and remove all the leaves there. This is how it looks. Now let's keep watching. These are the lower leaves. This leaf here was also affected by downy mildew. After treatment with copper sulfate, the leaves turned yellow. Especially where it was affected by downy mildew, it turned more yellow, like this. See? And I'll repeat once more, it was a weak solution. Never use 100 grams per 10 liters of water, 1%. Because you will burn your plants and they will die. After this, as I showed in the previous video, some time needs to pass. We patiently wait for 7 days before harvesting, but the harvest we collect must be very carefully, thoroughly, and meticulously washed and peeled. Because copper sulfate is a contact fungicide, it does not penetrate inside but remains on the surface. And as you can see, this remedy really works indeed. It absolutely does not harm the cucumber plants at all, and it does not harm us either. This is not a systemic fungicide, which adversely affects the quality of the harvest, its nutritional value. It can become dangerous for us. And here everything is fine. But there is one more nuance. If you, like me, twist the cucumber stem, I have agro fabric and drip irrigation, so I just lay the twisted stem on the agro fabric. It is dry, and my plant won't catch any diseases, and it also won't rot. If you have clean soil and you water with a watering can, you need to twist the stem into a ring and hang it on a wire so that the stem does not touch the ground. So friends, as you can see, everything works well, and in my opinion, this is the best, cheapest, and fastest fungicide that will help you get rid of downy mildew on cucumbers. If you use other products, please share with me and my subscribers in the comments. I would be very grateful. That's all from me. If you have any questions, ask them in the comments, and see you in the next videos. Goodbye.